All right, now the race for the 47 gubernatorial seats arguably remains the most competitive compared to the other elective seats in the August election. So tonight on Spotlight 2017, our reporter Chris Thairu delves into the intrigues behind the decision by some governors to form their own political parties and interrogates their chances at the polls against candidates sponsored by the country's main political outfits.
With precisely a month to the deadline for political parties to have conducted their primaries ahead of the August polls, governors have strategized themselves to ensure that they are not locked out of the elections and that their names are on the ballot. Given that some of the governors have fallen out to the mother parties that sponsored them to the position in the 2013 elections, they have gone back to the drawing board and either formed their own political parties or revived others in preparation for the August elections.
Many politicians don't believe that there will be free and fair nominations within their parties. And past experience has shown that there's a lot of favoritism and undercutting within parties, and therefore every politician want to feel secure that you have an opportunity to be in the ballot box to compete for the position they want to run for.
Meru Governor Peter Munya opted out of the Jubilee bandwagon after APK party dissolved into the Jubilee Party. APK former party leader Meru Senator Kiretu Murungi wants to unseat Munya as governor on the Jubilee Party ticket, a move that pushed Munya to revive the PNU party, where he is assured of a direct nomination to face his rival Kiretu Murungi at the ballot.
Those who are moved to other parties are the stronger governors. It is those who are confident enough that they can go against the grain and win. Those who are not moving are the ones who are afraid because they fear that if they move from the secure party that is supported in that region, they will lose elections. So
after falling out with Deputy President William Ruto, Bomet Governor Isaac Ruto ditched the defunct URP party, of which he was a co-founder, and formed the Chama Cha Mashinani party, and which he intends to defend his seat. But Isaac will be facing either the Jubilee heavyweight Sotik MP Dr. Joyce Laboso or former Konoin MP Dr. Julius Kones.
Kenya ni ya kila mtu. Na hakuna maneno ya kusema hapa ni Jubilee, sisi hapa ni nini. Hata sisi watu wa sisi hapa tuseme hapa ni nini. Tunasema kila mtu akuja aombe kiti ya hiyo ya juu wakuje.
Machakos Governor Dr. Alfred Mutua also ditched a Wiper party after rebelling against party leader Kalonzo Musyoka and Machakos Senator Johnston Muthama, and formed a Maendeleo Chap-Chap, under which he will defend his seat.
This party is called Maendeleo Chap-Chap. Maendeleo kwa sababu wananchi wanataka maendeleo. Chap-Chap kwa sababu wananchi wamechoka kungojea. Tutangojea mpaka lini?
Na Kenya Party has also ripped Tharaka Nithi Governor Samuel Ragwa, who was elected on a TNA ticket, as well as Embu Governor Martin Wambora. However, most of these governors support the re-election of President Uhuru Kenyatta.
Tukasema yule tutapigia kura ya rais 2017 ni Uhuru Kenyatta. Kwa hivyo hii chama ya PNU haina vita na president wa Kenya. Tunaelewana? Kwanza tunamsaidia. Kwa sababu watu hawezi kuwa kwa chama moja wote. Wakipigana huko, wengine washindi wakose mahali pa kwenda, wapiga kura watatoka kupiga kura.
Our candidate of choice is President Uhuru Kenyatta, who we believe shares the same principles of development. Because we need to move this country from the politics of seeking power, from the politics of insults.
In the opposition, the National Super Alliance, NASA, is still grappling with an internal suggestion to adopt joint nominations among the candidates from the affiliate parties in the alliance. For instance, in Mombasa County, the three main contenders for the gubernatorial seat are in NASA: the incumbent Governor Ali Hassan Joho on an ODM ticket, current Senator Hassan Omar on a Wiper ticket, and Nyali MP Hezron Awiti still on a Wiper ticket. Should the talks on joint nominations flop, some observers argue that the Jubilee candidate Suleiman Shabal could get a head start come August elections. Chris Thairu, KTN News.